In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Grammarly subscription. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see, what each option means, and a few tips so you know exactly what to expect after you cancel. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Grammarly's app. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation menu. There, open the admin panel. This is where Grammarly places the controls for managing your plan. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Interfaces can vary slightly based on account type and updates, but the option you need will still be on the left. Inside the admin panel, choose your account. Think of this area as your hub for plan details, billing, and status. From here, move into the subscription section. This page summarizes your current plan, renewal date, and payment information, and it's also where Grammarly lets you make changes to your subscription. On the subscription page, find and select Cancel Subscription. Clicking this doesn't immediately end your plan. It begins the cancellation flow so you can review your options. Grammarly may show you an offer at this stage. One common option is Keep My Free Trial. Choosing that means you're opting to continue with the trial or extend access temporarily instead of canceling right now. If your goal is to stop the plan from renewing, do not select that offer. Instead, proceed with the cancellation. To move forward, select Continue to Cancel. You may be asked a quick question about why you're canceling. Just choose the reason that best matches your situation and continue. Follow the prompts until you reach the final confirmation. When the cancellation is successful, Grammarly typically updates your subscription status to reflect that it won't renew at the end of the current billing period. In most cases, you keep access to any premium features you've already paid for until that period ends, and then your account reverts to the free version. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you're on a promotional rate or trial, read any notes on the screen so you understand whether canceling takes effect immediately or at the end of the cycle. After you finish, you can return to the subscription page to confirm your status shows as canceled or set to not renew. That way you have peace of mind that everything went through as intended. And that's it. You've navigated to the admin panel, opened your account, entered subscription, selected cancel subscription, bypassed any keep my free trial prompts if you truly want to cancel, and confirmed by choosing continue to cancel.